My name is Simon Lex, and I'm an associate professor at the Department of Anthropology at the University of Copenhagen, and I'm a project leader in the MissionGreenFuels partnership. I lead several projects. Before, I was the leader of the Common project. Now I'm the leader of the Deep project, and I'm also enrolled in the Hydro project. The background of Deep is that we see concern, resistance, opposition among residents, local communities where these green hydrogen projects or parks are going to be implemented. So it's important to develop spaces and processes for citizen engagement. So what's unique about Deep's approach to citizen engagement is that we travel to the local communities. We interview the people living there, also working in the municipalities and also in the developers. So we've developed a unique data set with insights across the different sectors, across the different actors. And from there, we have developed and designed some tools and some processes for a cross-cutting dialogue.
My name is Yair Puch Alvarez. I am a biologist and a geographer hired here at the project. My work relates to doing a synthesis of the complex social-ecological system of the energy parks planning in Denmark. So we try to convert the synthesis into a material that can be used for a dialogue with the local communities. So one of the strategies was to test it with students. Other strategies was to bring the idea of the game to the local communities. And they were very open because they are trying to find these strategies that can give them voice of their interest, of what they want for the landscapes, and they want to be heard. And they found it as a good opportunity to exchange some ideas.
I think that the Deep project complements the technology-driven and the commercial projects in the MissionGreenFuels partnerships. The mission is to implement the climate targets through the development of green fuels. And in order to do that, it's not enough with the technology, it's not enough with the commercial, economic parameters. We also need to look into the regional governance and the citizen engagement.
In order to make a planning more legitimate, we need to understand that people is thinking different, people is valuing nature different, so there is epistemological and axiological differences that need to be part of the planning process in order to make it fair or just.
So we've shared insights and results from our project with municipalities in different places in Denmark. And they have integrated some of our insights into their planning and their development processes. We've also shared our results with private developers, and they have also been inspired by our work in the development of their strategies, not only in Denmark, but also internationally. We've also been in a dialogue with political advisors and politicians on a national scale in order to inspire the development of policies that focus on citizen engagement. As a member of the MissionGreenFuels partnership, I get a unique access to researchers from across the universities in Denmark. I also get access to interesting actors from the private sector. And this we can use in the development of these mission-driven results, which are important in the green transition in Denmark. I can also use it as a researcher to be inspired by researchers from other universities, from other disciplines, not only within social science, also within the technical sciences, in order to develop my own research, in order to work interdisciplinary, in order to creating groundbreaking research.